Hello, and welcome to Leon's Lock Pad. Today it's going to be a challenge lock. Pulled this out the packet of underneath the desk. I've got a massive box of challenge locks, and I thought I'd pick this one out. It is first 100 pickaholic. There's the bit in. Set steps, pretty cool. It does work. There's a little maybe, but before we do that, if you're interested in lock sport and you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk, which is UKLS, or you find me on us on Discord, Extraordinary League of Pickers, or at UKLP at Lock Picking and Lock Sport on Facebook. And if you like to see my channel, you want to see some more, hit the subscribe button and that bell icon. As I make 2 to 3 videos per week from picking locks to challenge locks to tutorials to giveaways to all type of lock stuff related, really. Let's see if we can get in this. Now, this is a funky kick. How are we going to get it in a holder? I would have nothing but... yeah. Not going to get them in any of them, and I certainly don't want to ruin my kick holder. So we'll do it the way I used to do it before I got kick holders, which is in the bottom of the vise, which works absolutely perfectly like this. There we go. Got some camera light there as well, some lights. We're not moving? Right. Let's have a look at, that's a really wide open keyway, so I'm going to go for the thickest tension wrench I've got. And we'll try the Dazzo hook. That's definitely a super wide keyway. Let's see what we got. Oh, gotta click it. I thought it was 3, 4. No, it wasn't. That was 2. Click on 1. I don't know what we're on there. That's 5. Some counter. Well, that's a possibility now. I'll set that. Oh, we're open. Wow. Okay. Oh, I'm having that. That was quick. That last pin then, I wasn't paying attention. I was just looking out the window because I thought the postman walked past. And it clicked open. Oh, let's lock it back up and see what we've got in here. Stunned me that actually, it was that quick. Right. I've never stripped one of these like this. This is going to be interesting. If we can get the clip off the back. Let me turn it round more. Right. Well, I'm going to pause it, give me a second. I'm really struggling to get this off. Done it. Right. I'm going to use a shim just in case because there was something a little bit crunchy I need some more shims now. They're slowly getting wrecked, as they do. That's the wrong way for starters. No. I think we are. There we go. Had to just make sure that we were all the way through. Bring some more right over here. And the camera actually. There we go. Straighten that up a little bit. There we go. Right, let's have a look what we have got. Well, just like the steps, as you can see. Everything needed picking. Nice serrated keeping there. Number 2, another serrated keeping. A spooled serrated keeping. Just a tiny deep serration on that one. And number 5, it looks like a steel. Serrated. Let's see what we've got in here. Where's the pick? We've got threading in 1, 2, 3, 4, and nothing in 5. Let's pull the shim out. Let's see. There we go. Tweezers. Let's see what we've got going on in here. Very nice spool. Looks like we've got a brass spring, copper spring, I mean. Nice serrated driver. Some springs, same brass spring. Another very nice serrated driver. If I'm going out of view there for a second. We've got one spring that doesn't want to vacate the premises, so I don't want to pull it out just in case, don't fancy breaking it. And that last pin, there we go. Goes like that. There's one that was stuck. No, he's still there. Does he want to come out? Yeah, he does. He's alright. He was just caught up with a slight kink on him. There we go. And have we got anything that's on there? Don't think we have. No, nothing in the Bible. Let's show you these pins. Just tweezers, there we go. We've got very nice serrated keeping, really nice work, nice and deep and clean. Number 2 is the same, and well, it's similar. We've got serrations, fairly deep, and then narrow ones, which is really clean cut. We've got a spool with a serration at the top, and it's just like a small serration on that keeping. And this one, it's like a T-pin slightly. We've got a serration, but that is quite nice. That in one on driver, we've got a very nice spool with some little serrations halfway down. You see that? Number 2, we've got keeping and very nice serrations. Driver. And we've got another driver with very light serrations. Then we've got a very nice spool, very deep one in 4, and in 5 we've got an even longer and deeper spool. And then we've got they are different sizes, but they're all brass springs. Absolute awesome job, Pickaholic, my friend. Really enjoyed that. It was a fairly quick pick, but maybe that was just the look of it, that's all. But really nice pins. Very cool. Well, oh, just show you one other thing. I can't demonstrate at the moment, but I will show you. I think Bosnia Bill was doing something similar to this. This is called a cyber spy. It's just like a child's listening time when they're like pretending to be spies and stuff. Anyway, point is, it has doesn't have a directional mic. It has a mic, it just picks up everything. But takes put your earphone in there, bit of blue tack on the side, and the sensitivity of this thing is so high you can even hear yourself breathing. But if I was to stick this on the corner of this lock like that, well, actually, let's get it right first, because we pick euros this way. Yeah, if I put that on this lock, plug it in, I will hear even, I would even hear this loud, just doing that. Just touching it like that, super loud. So you'll be able to hear what the pins would be doing. To be honest, it has no purpose, because you can hear the pins anyway. Hearing them extra louder, I suppose that would be good if there was no feedback. You might give yourself an idea of what's going on. But I'm going to try it on some locks. I went digging it out. It's about 10 years ago I bought it. But we'll give it a try. See what it sounds like. But yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. And bye. Don't forget to like.